This project is really a proof of concept. It allows us to build a model that we can deliver community infrastructure across Canada in a way that really matters. My name is Colleen Sklar, and I'm the Chief Executive Officer of JohnQ Built. One of our first projects for JohnQ Built was the Daycare in a Box pilot project, and that project brought the municipalities together with early learning and childcare at the Province of Manitoba to deliver daycares to any community, large, small, rural, or northern.
We have a critical infrastructure shortfall in terms of daycare facilities in our communities. So we got together and said there had to be a different approach, and we found a way to be creative and deliver daycares to our communities.
Often when you're building community infrastructure, it's very complicated. It can be very litigious, and it can also really stretch the capacity of local governments to deliver.
All of the small communities, ours included, we just don't have the human resource in our administrative offices and within our community to build these things. So the collaborative approach was really the only way these things were going to get done.
JohnQ Built is really a different process. It brings builders together with architects, with local governments, with chief executive officers, with childcare providers, and with the experts at the provincial government in early learning and childcare to design build a program from the very beginning of the process.
In this instance, all those stakeholders are brought in forward to that first, let's call it 30% of the project, which gains not only the value of knowledge, but the foresight, the experience of what may be pitfalls in the project in its later stages.
We need all the intelligence and all the experts and all the genius on the front end. Once we start construction, it's too late. This lean prefabrication model that we've developed through these daycares, I think is going to set the standard for the years to come, not just in daycares, but in other sectors. These are all prefabricated buildings. Our floors, our walls, our roof systems are all prefabricated.
One of these buildings can go up on site once the piles are in and the foundation is put in place in about 5 days.
There's no benefit with using an alternate method when you see what we've done here. So now we're doing it for cheaper. We're being more efficient. The quality is through the roof. And everyone has a can-do attitude. And that's how you turn 14 months into 6 months. That's how you turn into a more cost-effective project without reducing quality. A super energy efficient, reduced carbon footprint. And again, with our collective responsibility for truth and reconciliation, incorporating tasteful Indigenous components to the building.
What we've proven is that together, collaborating, we can make a difference, and we can make a difference fast.
Delivering it on time, if not ahead of schedule, as well as on budget, if not below budget. These are things that are almost unheard of today in the public realm of projects.
We've built 22 daycares, over 1,700 spots in 18 months. That really demonstrates the power of collaboration.
Adopting this methodology and this lean prefabrication approach for the daycares and implementing that into an affordable housing framework, I think would be tremendously beneficial.
But this could be for seniors housing and a whole variety of other things that we haven't even dreamt of.
We know we have a transferable model that can assist communities in delivering all community infrastructure, whether it be housing, schools, community clubs, water and wastewater treatment facilities, and perhaps road design and infrastructure like bridges.
I think that this is the model that leads to success, and it's one that should be replicated throughout the country.
I think the end product speaks for itself.
By working together, we can deliver to Canadians the best deal and the best products possible.